All right, so I'm going to show you how to download a folder from the Unity Hub, or really the Unity Learn website. So when you go to Unity Learn, you're going to see here that I have my zip folder, and then I can download it right here. And when I go into my downloads, it's going to make a zip folder, which looks like this. So in order to unzip the file, what I have to do is right click. You're going to see this option that says extract all. And then what it will do is make this decompressed folder, which is right here. So they'll look the same. The difference is going to be this one has a zipper, this one does not. And since depending which computer you're on, I happen to be on a Windows computer right now. So I'm going to see this option that says starter files. And then if you're using a Mac, you'll also see this one that says Mac OS X, and then you'll see the project window, which is right here. Like I, depending on the file, you sometimes will want to use a like a URP or a standard like built-in pipeline. For this project in particular, it works a little bit better to have the universal render pipeline, which is what I've done. And then when you open the scene, you can right click, you'll see this option to import package, and then you pick custom package, and then you should see that file that's right there. So again, if you go to your starter files, you'll see it in this section, and then you can import this file right here. It'll just show you what that looks like. Now, I've already imported this one, but once you have imported it, you're going to see these options right here to import it. Now, once it imports it, you're going to see that I have a course library, I have scenes, and most of the things that you're going to be using are going to be in this. You can see that these are kind of limited or that these are divided up for you. And then I have my scenes, which is right here. So if I double click the prototype 3 scene, you're going to see that again, it might take a second the first time you work with it, but you'll see that your scene is right here, and I can kind of move this around. So this is going to be my very basic scene that I have. If you click this, you can also change the background if you want to. So if I want this to be a little bit different, I can click these files that are right here, or I can have nothing in this case, but I'm going to keep it as, for this one, I'm going to use the town.